Blakk Rasta there. I'm on fire. Kochako, Blakk Rasta. I know that fire, but fire off the show. Why you do?
I don't understand why everybody feels like, yeah, Blakk Rasta is a senior man in Timunja.
Yeah,
we need to tell him to. No, listen, he should stop misbehaving. He's fooling.
You see?
He's fooling. No, somebody needs to tell. He's fooling. He's fooling. Oh, Jimmy.
This is another fucking things. Fucking area. All be lie. Is in area DJ Parker Rich. When you if you are in a Blakk Rasta, when you are beef. Yes, when you are beef. Now beef in an one when you extended version of the beef. Only against Nana Lanyon versus Blakk Rasta.
Do you think you love Bob Marley than his own family?
Do you think you know reggae? Reggae put.
Your song Sarkodie. Or maybe somebody needs to tell him the blank. No, you see, the truth needs to come to him.
Run the rhythm. Pretty by our star.
Nana Lion and the area gang for our Pluzz FM and win cheap. Oh yeah, Nana Lion and it's even say what a squad and what can be actual Blakk Rasta. What's a Blakk Rasta? Actually, they do funny music.
Fatio Ankuma.
Isaka.
That's me. I say, oh, be lie.
Yeah, it's his opinion. Let him share it.
No.
But you see, he's doing us a lot of the service as an industry. Because I don't think that if this had gone to Nigeria, you'd find Nigerian presenters and Nigerian personalities kicking against it.
They wouldn't.
No, Burna Boy would dream of this. Wizkid will want this. Davido himself. So I don't understand why this man has decided somebody needs to talk to him.
I remember something you said on Trend some time back that even if it's something you want for yourself, know that it's seasons. This is Sarkodie's time, so celebrate it.
No, but
help him celebrate.
It's strange, 12 a.m.
How much is that, Amanda? I was just snoring and farting and
listen,
drooling.
I don't understand why.
I don't drool, by the way.
I don't understand why everybody feels like, yeah, Blakk Rasta is a senior man in Timunja.
Yeah,
we need to tell him
mind.
No, listen, he should stop misbehaving. He's fooling.
You see?
He's fooling. No, somebody needs to tell. He's fooling. He's fooling. Oh, Jimmy or a Papa Penny, he should respect himself. What's this?
12:41 a.m.
This is actually a disgrace. It is. What's your problem again? Do you think you love Bob Marley than his own family?
Do you think you know reggae? Reggae put.
Your song Sarkodie. Or maybe somebody needs to tell him the blank. No, you see, the truth needs to come to him. Your song Sarkodie is very close to comedy performances. What is wrong with this man?
Oh.
What is wrong with him?
So he is a funny man.
You are a funny musician. You are the one that did Gigim Sauce.
Yeah, yesterday.
Sauce. That's you. That is you. So you should not even be expressing your opinions on other people's music. You should not be running creatives down. No, you shouldn't. You are sitting in a position that you are expected to know better.
Even with his profession.
How?
12:41 a.m.
Why should you be doing that? We are Blakk Rasta into DN. We are there. What have you done for the industry?
I say cool it down.
What?
Calm down.
No, because you say this is hold on.
Yeah.
This is actually, you see, people might not see, but the bigger conversation is that this is actually going to block the chances of other creatives.
Yes.
Imagine that the album that they are doing, they want to put another Ghanaian on. Imagine that they intend to maybe have a black sheriff on it, or maybe have a stone boy on it, but they started with Sarkodie. And this is the line you people are going. The next thing, all of these people will not be considered again.
Then yeah, the same people will come and say support your own.
And then you come and say, and we are sitting here, and Nigerians are coming here to come and dominate. And when you have the glory to maximize it and make it stand out, you misbehave. Because you are not happy with it as an individual.
12:41 a.m.
on Twitter, 12:41 a.m. Papa to say when can say you say you are an ordained man of God. You should be reading the Bible.
How much in Bible? So yeah, Juma.
You should be praying for your church members who say your followers.
And your music career.
You jump on Twitter to go and discredit somebody's hard work, rubbish it and throw it away, tagging the children of Bob Marley.
That was
Do you love Bob Marley more than Bob Marley's family?
That was extreme.
Do you think the children are not aware that this has been released? What is the meaning of this?
Calm down.
He's a disgrace. No, somebody needs to tell him. For whatever he has done in this industry, it doesn't come close to the left foot of Sarkodie. He should shut up. He should shut up.
Jebel, what number?
Oh, country
it's the time.
because Blakk Rasta. So what? Who is he? What has he done?
Hey.
Boy, he said Wakoto.
Ebunu sauce. Break bottles.
Ebunu sauce. Ebunu ekroma. Hold on. Ebunu ekroma enyankwan. Is ebunu even a sauce? Enyankwan. Ebunu enyankwan.
You should play that song, Kiki.
No, it is annoying. Oh. It is almost as if that everybody in this country has kept. You people cannot stand up to Blakk Rasta. Who is he? What has he done for the industry? Who is he? Me, I am nobody.
He gave you hits.
Me, I am nobody. He too, he is nobody. He should shut up. If he doesn't like the song, he should go and call Bob Marley's people and go and do a remix.
That's what he did.
Besides, we have seen you do Sewakoto. Go and do One Love. Let's see. Go and read letters on it. And shut up. Shut up. If you don't have anything to say, Blakk Rasta, shut up. It is becoming annoying. We sit in this country and we allow people to use certain titles and certain non-far accolades to be misbehaving. Have you gotten to the level? Have you musically gotten to the level of Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, Shatawale? Have you gotten there?
After how many
Do you
years
know what it means to be called by Bob Marley's family to be featured? Do you know what it means? Have you received a call of that caliber before?
Flash input.
What it chroma continue studio chairs. The next morning you go on Twitter and you think you are holier than thou. Somebody needs to tell him to shut up.
Calm down.
So this is what they talk. Nana Lion were Pluzz FM. Ono oba in brief 3. And Blakk Rasta sober mid morning. Inti yen should be finna be able quick see bet. This is what is going on. Your Kochoko fans, your Sack Nation, Pluzz FM, or your area gangers. Now when you want to see, because Blakk Rasta there, I'm on fire. Kochoko, Blakk Rasta. I know that fire, but fire off a show.